Okay, open your panel. Small key that says England. It's on the keychain in P1. What you will do first is unplug the power connector. You will then look for this board right here. So what you'll do is you'll lift this tab up, pull this tab down, and you'll notice that the RAM card has popped out. So now you will simply pull that one out, put the new one back in, aligning it with the pins. Make sure all the wires are out of your way so you can do that. Get it in there. Once it's seated, you'll simply push back in until you hear it click. Then you go back, plug your power connector back in, close the panel, wait for it to boot, and you should be good to go. We will have to recalibrate the screens when you're done.